We are a go. The frame is very tiny, so do your
All
best
right.
not to move at all.
Is it recording?
It's recording. It's the best quality it can be.
So here is the first episode of sewing with drunks. So my daughter asked me. I do a kind of a bizarre stitch, and ow, that hurt. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna show, and I like going the other way because I'm left-handed. So we're gonna show how to do the stitch here that she asked me about. She asked me to describe this to her over the phone, and I was unable to do so. So I'm gonna make a little video here in case I ever, end up in jail again, and can't show anybody how to sew. So what I've done, first stitch here. This is a canteen holder for military.
You might want to go a little slower so we can actually see what's going on.
What we're gonna do is, here we go. So sewing with drunks. So you're gonna get this, and you see the edge here. I'm just gonna, okay, and I've got this flipped inside out, and we're gonna grab a little more material there. Okay, so you got your material here, but what I do is I wrap it around like that, see, and then pull through. All right, and then my knees together like this. I really notice one thing. I gotta say, this is not comfortable for my my testicles. So I'm gonna open my legs and man spread a bit here because, well, it's I'm an evil son of a bitch. So man spreading is a thing that I do. So here we go. You see, you got a nice little loop there, and
it's really not having a good time focusing when you go that quick.
So what you do is you pull the thread around the needle like so, yank.
That's perfect.
And so, and a lot of people like to pin this down first, and that's fairly sensible, but the way I do things is different. So I do it stitch by stitch, and it tends to turn out fairly decent. I mean, I've already done this part of the canteen here. That's not even, but I mean, that's gonna hold, and also all across the bottom here. This was in really shit shape when I got it, but I'm doing this to make a point. So back to, gotta get things lined up again because there we go.
It's okay. I have to refocus
there. And there's a couple of German Shepherds enjoying cookies next to me. That's
kind of tempting, isn't it? You want one for yourself?
I kind of do. I used to eat milk bones when I lived in a college dorm when I was 16. It was meant for nursing students, but my probation officer managed to give me a spot there. Because he figured the lady that ran the facility would
all right, so we got 4 minutes of sewing.
So here we go.
Good one.
We're almost done here. So we just go flip like that. This.
You're 10 seconds away from being 5 whole minutes of sewing.
It's 5 whole minutes of sewing. All right, we can probably stop at 5. I will finish this, and but that's kind of how it looks.
You want me to stop?
It's not perfect, but there you go. That's how you do that stitch.